Hi, hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel, the Smart Brains YouTube channel. I'm so delighted and happy you are on my YouTube channel. This wonderful day, we want to look at operators, the operators block when it comes to using the operators block in Scratch. And operators block are generally used for mathematical equations such as addition, subtraction, division, and the likes. And also operators block can be used for greater than and less than and all that. And also operators block is identified with a green shape. So let's get started. There are the operator blocks. On the operators block we have all of these green blocks, then other operators blocks. Let's pick the first block, which is the additional block. For the addition block we have to put in a number in the first space. Let's say we put number 2 and then put the other number. So we'll see we have 2 plus 2 is going to give us 4. So generally that's what it's all about. And so we get to see that when we put a number in the first space and a number in the second space and we click in the middle, we'll get the answer. Let's put a different number in the other space and let's put a bigger number in the other space. When we click on the middle, you get to see that there is an answer. So basically operators blocks are used for addition. Let's do the subtracting block. Let's put a number there. Let's say we're putting number 45, and then the other space let's put in 11. So when we click, we'll have a number there. So that's what it's basically for. So this right here is the subtracting block for operators. You can try to put a single number. When you click on the middle, you get your answer. So that is it. So operators blocks are basically used for mathematical equations, and you can see how this really works out. When you put in the number in the other space and put in another number in the other block, you get to see your answer. Let's try out the multiplication block. Let's put a number in the first space and then let's put a number in the other space. Let's say 6 times 6 gonna give us the 6. Put in other numbers, you get to see that it gets to multiply the numbers. So we put a bigger number in the first block and then decide to put a, let's say 2 numbers, 20. You see 600 times 20 will give you the answer. So basically that's what is that. So let's use that, which is the division block. That is the division operators block. Let's use it in dividing numbers. So we'll put a number in the first space. I want to divide with the second number in the other space, and when we do that, it gives us the number. So basically that's the division block, and it is used for division. We have the other one, which is a pick random number between 1 to 10. So what it does is it gets to pick numbers between 1 to 10. So for the first number is 1 and the second number we have is 10. So when we click in the middle, it gets to pick a number between 1 to 10, and then the sprite gets to actually tell us. So when you click on it, you get to see those numbers. If you enjoyed this lesson and you enjoyed this video, please do well to like and please subscribe. I would really appreciate it a lot. Thank you. So basically you can decide to change the numbers. You can put 1 and then decide to put 100 in the other block, so you get to see that the number would change. So you get to pick randomly for numbers below from 1 to 100. So when you put 10 in the other space and put 100 in the other space, it's going to pick randomly numbers between the first number in the first space and the number in the second space. So that's what the pick random number is basically all about. So let's try it. Put 10 there and then say put 100. We'll click on the middle. It's going to be giving us number from 10 to 100, picking numbers randomly along that range. Do you understand? So when you put a number in the first box and second box, it picks number around that range. Let's go to the next one, which is known as the greater than. So greater than is basically that sign you see there. So using your right hand, doing it 2 fingers up with your right hand, you would see that you're making a greater than symbol. The other one is known as a less than symbol. So just as we've done for the others, let's find out if a number in the first circle is greater than the number in the second circle, and what will be the answer, 30 or true. So let's put 30. 30 is 30 greater than 50? It says false. As 200, let's try a bigger number. 200 greater than 50? It says true. So you see that it is basically a block that is used to test whether a number is greater than or not. That's the next one, is not the less than, just a little bit the same with what we've done with the greater than. So let's just see the difference between the greater than and also the less than. So you can see basically the difference. So you should be able to get used to what your greater than symbol is and what your less than symbol is. Do you understand? So let's try out something with the less than. The less than, using your left finger now, doing the 2 fingers with your left finger, you know it's a less than. For less is 600 less than 50. It says false. Is 40 less than 50? Yes, true. So that is what it is. So when you put a number that is less than the other number, it says whether it's true or false. Let's try out the equals to number, the equals to block, which is what we have. Tells us whether it's true or false. Is 50 equals to 50? Tells us true, because the first number and the second number in the other block is the same. So that means it is the same, is equals, so it's the same. So it tells us it's true. When we put a different number, let's say 40 there, and put a 50 there, they are not the same. So 40 and 50 are not the same. So it tells us it's false. So basically this is all what all the operators block is all about, and I'm super excited that you already understand all these things. We'll be coding out some project on Scratch using all of these different blocks. So do well to watch the next video, and please do well to like this video, share and subscribe. I believe you've learned something today on the operators block. You can try it out, and please do well to watch the next video where we would be coding out projects using them. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.